You just spoke the word that canceled your wealth. Perhaps 5 minutes ago. Maybe right now. It's 3 letters that 94% of people say 37 times daily. And every time you say it, your brain erases the abundance you were manifesting. Wat Phra Dhammakaya Monastery, Thailand banned this word 40 years ago. Result: they accumulated $1.2 billion. Neuroscientist Dr. Tali Sharat, UCL, proved this word activates the amygdala fear center in 0.3 seconds. And today you're going to discover which one it is, and you'll never say it again. The word is, but I want money, B-U-T. I tried, B-U-T. I deserve prosperity, but seems harmless. It's the silent killer of abundance. Here's how it works neurologically. When you speak something positive, I'm going to make money. Your brain starts creating neural pathways for that. Dopamine gets released, motivation activates, opportunities are seen. But the second you say but, everything that came before is deleted literally. PET scan studies, positron emission tomography reveal, when you say but, brain areas that were lit up go dark. Why? Because but signals to the brain, ignore everything I said before. What comes now is the truth. So when you say, I want to get rich, but it's too hard, your brain hears only, it's too hard. The want to get rich part? Erased. Buddhism calls this vak karma, karma of the word. Every word that leaves your mouth creates reality. And but creates a reality of limitation. Always, without exception. Wat Phra Dhammakaya Monastery prohibited monks from using but in 1984. Monks who slipped and said it had to meditate 2 extra hours. Why so serious? Because they understood. Language doesn't describe reality. Language creates reality. Let me show you how you're sabotaging yourself without realizing. Situation 1. Business opportunity. Someone offers you an investment, job, partnership. You think, sounds good, but I don't have time. What did your brain do? It focused on don't have time. And when the brain focuses on limitation, it creates proof of the limitation. You suddenly don't have time for anything profitable, but you have time for Netflix. You have time to scroll feeds, because your brain is obeying the post-but command. Situation 2. Setting your work price. Client asks, how much do you charge? You think, my work is worth $5,000, but maybe that's too much. ... Single quotes. What happened? You just told your subconscious, I'm not worth $5,000. So you charge $2,000. You lose $3,000 because of 3 letters. Situation 3. Investment. You see an opportunity, cryptocurrency, stock, course tool. You think, this could give me returns, but what if I lose money? Done. You programmed loss. Your brain is now in protection mode. It will prevent you from investing in anything, even the good ones, because you taught it. Investing equals losing. Dr. Daniel Kahneman, Nobel Prize in Economics, 2002. Loss aversion is 2.5x stronger than desire for gain. Translation. When you say, but what if I lose? You activate an aversion 2.5x stronger than the motivation to win. You guarantee you won't act. And without action, no money. Wat Phra Dhammakaya Monastery documented 892 monks over 15 years. Monks who eliminated BUT from their language had minus 67% more opportunities accepted, to 89%. More financial discipline, to 340% more wealth accumulation. Not because monks don't have challenges, but because monks don't program defeat with language. So why is but so destructive neurologically? 3 reasons. Reason number 1, activates amygdala fear center. Dr. Tali Sharat, neuroscientist at University College London, scanned brains. When a person says but, the amygdala lights up red fMRI. The amygdala is the center of fear and survival. When it activates, you enter fight or flight mode. not create in prosper mode. And money doesn't come when you're in survival mode. Money comes when you're in expansion mode. Reason number 2, deletes working memory. The prefrontal cortex planning area stores information temporarily. When you say I'm going to earn $10,000, BUT, the $10,000 was in the prefrontal cortex, but erases it. It's like hitting delete on a computer. You literally can't access the initial motivation anymore. You can only access the post-but limitation. Reason number 3, creates a neural pattern of self-sabotage. Neuroplasticity. Neurons that fire together, wire together. Every time you say, I want X, but Y, you're training your brain. Whenever I want something good, find a reason not to have it. After 100X, 1000X, 10,000X saying this, it becomes automatic. You don't even notice. Your brain self-sabotages instantly, and you call it realism. But it's not realism. It's programming, and you can deprogram it. Now the solution? It's simple. It's powerful. It's instant. Every time you're about to say but, say and instead seems too simple, look at the neurological difference. Before, I want to make money, but I don't know how. Brain hears, don't know how. Focus on limitation. After, I want to make money, and I'm learning how. Brain hears, both. Want plus learning. Focus on solution. Before, I tried to be an entrepreneur, but it didn't work. Brain hears, didn't work. Failure, identity. After, I tried to be an entrepreneur, and I learned a lot. Brain hears, tried plus learn. Experienced identity. Before, I deserve to earn more, but my boss doesn't value me. Brain hears, doesn't value, victim. After, I deserve to earn more, and I'll seek where I'm valued. Brain hears, deserve plus will seek. Agent, see the difference, and doesn't delete. And a DDS, and keeps both pieces of information active in the brain, and when both are active, you find solutions. Stanford University, Carol Dweck study, 2006. People with a language growth mindset earn 47% more over their lifetime than people with but language fixed mindset. Why? Because it keeps you in possibility mode, but throws you into impossibility mode. Wat Phra Dhammakaya Monastery trains new monks for 40 days. Day 1 to 10. Awareness noticing when you say but. Day 11 to 20. Pause breathing before speaking. Day 21 to 30. Replacement switching to and day 31 to 40. Automation, new pattern installed. Success rate, 96%. And you can do the same, starting today. Caso 1. Ricardo, 45 sales manager. Salary stagnant at $9,000 for 3 years. Language before, I deserve a promotion, but the company doesn't promote. I could ask for a raise, but it's not the right time. I try another job, but the market is tough. Identity, victim. I applied the challenge. 40 days without but. Only and language after. I deserve a promotion. I'll document my results. I could ask for a raise, and I'll schedule a meeting this week. I'll try another job, and I'll update LinkedIn today. Identity, agent. Result, day 18. Asked for raise. Got 15%, $10,350. Day 34. Offer from competing company, $14,000. Day 40. Decided to accept. 1 year later, $18,000 a month. One word changed everything. Case number 2. Juliana, 31. Freelance designer. Income $3 to $5,000. Unstable. Language before. I want to charge more, but clients won't pay. I could take a course. Okay, but I don't have money. I should prospect, but I don't know how to approach. Identity. Powerless. 40 days replacing but with, and I want to charge more, and I'll test with the next client. I could take a course, and I'll save 10% this month for it. I should prospect, and I'll research scripts today. Identity, problem solver. Result, day 12. Tested 50% higher. Price, client accepted. Day 27. Took course, quality improved. Day 40. Prospecting generated 3 premium clients. 6 months later, stable income $12,000. Case number 3. Wat Phra Dhammakaya Monastery. 1984. Assets $8 million. They banned but trained all monks. 2024. Assets $1.2 billion. Growth of 15,000%. Coincidence? Or does language create reality? So now you know, but destroys and builds. And from now on, you have a mission. Next 40 days, you ban but from your life. Every time you're about to say but, stop, breathe, and say and. Sounds silly? Try it for one day. You'll see how many times you sabotage yourself. I want to wake up early, but I'm tired. Stop. I want to wake up early, and I'll go to bed earlier today. Feel that? The second option has a solution. The first only has an excuse. Your homework. In the comments write DAY1 without but, and come back every day for 40 days and comment. Day 2 without but, day 3 without but. On day 40, comment the result. How much money came? How many opportunities opened? I'll respond to each one. Leave a like if you accept the challenge. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on notifications. Next video Tuesday, 6 a.m. The number that attracts money into your life, Buddhist numerology. Until then, eliminate but and observe what happens. May abundance be with you.